Hi guys, I'm Jay Mahaffey with 5 Star Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. What I'm about to illustrate for you is how a standard air filter purchased from just the box stores, how much restriction this has on your heating and cooling system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this fan on here, and I'm going to put these standard filters in here. And then I'm going to show you how the 11 MERV air filter that we install, as well as the 16 MERV air filter that we install, lines up against the standard filters that you purchase at the store. So I'm going to turn this fan on, and you should see this ball maintain up here at the top of the tube here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this on. If it drops down, then that shows that the air filter has restriction. Alright, there's Exhibit A. As you can see that it does restrict the flow. I'm going to try this filter over here. Again, same thing. Remove the filter and you have airflow again. Filter it. I'm going to put this one in here. Same thing. All right. Now, this is an 11 MERV healthy climate air filter, and I'm going to place this in here. As you can see, this does not restrict any airflow. Here I have another charcoal impregnated 16 MERV healthy climate air filter. Again, no restriction. Thanks guys.